Good morning from Costa Rica. Right now, we're getting snackies for the ferry back and then getting a coffee. It's dulce de leche, so it's like a pastry of dulce de leche, so it's very sweet. So we're still on the ferry, we're about to actually get off, but we're going to try the snacks that we bought. This one is like circles. Whoa! Con queso. I like these. I like these a lot. We are now off the ferry, on the road. We already finished our first bag of chips. Now we're gonna try our second. Okay, these I think are plantain chips, but jalapeno plantain chips.
Oh, you can smell the jalapeno. Whoa.
Yeah, you can. They look like this.
They're good actually.
Yeah.
I like these.
These are good. Now we made our way to the Crocodile Bridge. So it says that the Crocodile Bridge has the most crocodiles in the world. The Crocodile Bridge, you can get food. There's actually a few restaurants and souvenir places. It's a bit touristy because everyone wants to come here, but we are getting food.
And it is okay. It's not bad actually.
I like that stuff.
That's good?
And now we made our way to Jaco Beach. Now we made our way to Manuel Beach.
Just order and...
So this cafe place, it has, I mean you can't see it now, but it has a big old airplane in it, and it's extremely touristy. So we'll see how to do this.
We just went to the beach, the Manuel Antonio. Gracias.
So here in Costa Rica, you do have to be careful of scammers, especially in Manuel Antonio, because so we have a car, and if you choose to take a car to around Costa Rica, you have to be careful on parking because there will be random guys who will scam you for your money and say you have to pay them to park there. You actually don't. Anyways, we got scammed. So we paid this guy, this random guy.
$10.
10 USD to park like on the beach type thing. Yeah, just be careful. You can actually
and they
park
offer
anywhere.
a lot more. They say, do you want to do this tour? Do you want to do this thing?
Do you want to get beds and umbrella? And they're going to charge you up to like 50, 60 USD. So be careful.
Nachos. Vegan nachos. It has beans, 3-5 beans, chickpeas, I guess this is mango, and we got guacamole on the side.
So this one is vegan linguine. It's decent. I wouldn't say it's the best. Then people are in Costa Rica eating pasta, so don't expect it to be like 10 out of 10.
So now we're in Uvita, which is about an hour from Manuel, Antonio, and we rented a house. I will do a house tour tomorrow because it is like 8 p.m. now, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Buenos dias from another day in Costa Rica. I forgot to mention, we are in a town called Uvita, which is about an hour from Manuel, Antonio. But this morning, I'm going to show a room tour. But instead of a room tour, we actually have a whole house, which is, oh my goodness, so beautiful. Let's start. This is the living area, common area, I guess. It has a TV, pool view, little couch, and then here's the kitchen. It's small and quaint, but I love it. This goes into the bathroom, the shower, and then this is the bedroom. But this also has a sliding door that looks out into the pool. So there's 2 entrances, which is really nice. But then, here is the huge patio. Has a BBQ area, a table, a hammock, and then this is the pool. Oh my goodness. And then the garden wraps around the whole yard. But then, this part. Say hi.
Hi.
He's already in the hammock. What do you think of the view?
Good. The garden is bigger than I thought.
To a coffee shop.
So we learned as a Costa Rican coffee player, the longer you boil the beans, the more caffeine you will have. So for instance, a filter coffee, very low on caffeine, but something like a French press, it's a lot more caffeine full. So if you go in the evening and have to have a cup of coffee, maybe it's better to get one that's like a filter coffee because it will not have as much caffeine. I didn't know that.
Yes, like people think an espresso has the most caffeine in it, but it actually doesn't. Like a French press has more because the concentration is held there longer to soak up all the coffee versus an espresso is not.
Another thing I didn't know, the blacker the bean is, the less caffeine it has. The whiter the bean is, the more caffeine it has. Coffee. I got fruit and yogurt and granola. And this is what I needed to stay something fresh.
I got huevos rancheros, which is tortilla, fried egg, and then tomato sauce on top.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. That's good.
Yeah. How's that?
Good?
Fresh?
Mm-hmm.
Now we made our way to a waterfall. Honestly, this is by accident. We're looking for a different waterfall, which was about 7 minutes from the coffee shop. But then we saw a sign that led to a different waterfall, and here we are. It was only 2,000 colone to come in, and they take card, but the card machine might not work because we tried 3 different cards and it didn't take it. So we're pretty sure it was their card, but we had cash. So remember to just bring cash anywhere that you go in Costa Rica. Done with the waterfall. What did you think of it?
I think it's a hidden gem, and I think that everyone that comes to this area, Uvita, should go to it because it's so fun. There are a couple of things that's very good with it. No sand, like the beaches.
Yes.
No salt water.
Yes.
It's all fresh water.
Yes.
And the sun, there is a lot of shade as well. You can stay there for hours. We've stayed there for a couple hours.
Yeah. But now we're getting food, which there is a vegetarian restaurant literally 1 minute away. So I got an iced matcha latte.
I got a banana smoothie and it's good.
As you can tell, half the cup is already gone.
It's good. Can you try that?
Yeah. Ooh, this is good. These are mushroom croquettes. It's super flavorful. Thank you for free selected. So we got burritos, baked meat, egg, and plantains. It's the same, but it has avocado.
And the beach should be right behind those trees, but we don't know.
Now we made our way to Uvita Beach. We scoped out the beach a bit. It's really nice because there's no one on the beach. But we wanted to walk the whale tail, which is a very popular beach land of the town. But the closest to get to the whale tail, there's parking. The parking costs money, and it closed at 6. We don't want to do that, so we parked at our house and walked about like 10 minutes so that we could see the sunset. But there are so many cute restaurants and shops on the way there. It's the middle part of the whale tail. The sun has already set, but you can tell where the land starts to disappear and both sides of the sea merge together. So cool. This is the drink of Costa Rica. It's literally everywhere. So now we're back at the house. We actually just ate our leftovers, but at the supermarket while buying chips and water, I found this fruit. I've never had this fruit before, but I saw it on TikTok and it's a very unique fruit. I don't know the name, but let's see. I really like the sound. Ooh. Ooh. It's crunchy. It's sweet. It's interesting. It's like, it's sweet seeds, sweet crunchy seeds. Right?
It's very good actually.
Yeah, I don't know the name of this fruit. I don't know if it's native to Central America, but it's very unique. The more you eat, the more sweet. Gimme. What is similar, do you think, to the taste? Orange.
A mix between kiwi and
orange.
No, what's that other one called? Not passion fruit. The texture is a little bit like passion fruit, but the taste is like kiwi.
Yeah, the shell. I love it.
It's good.
But I'm going to end today here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning from Costa Rica. Another day, and we're on our way to look at these pre-Columbian spears. So there's 500 of these that landed all in Costa Rica, but there's 3 in Uvita, and we're going to check those out. Okay, actually there's more than 3. Here's the 4th one, and we already see a 5th one over there.
This is a perfect spear made by pre-Columbian, meaning probably whatever Mayan Aztecs times. And these are perfect spheres, and there are over 500 in Costa Rica. And some of them are here in Uvita where we are. But look at them, they're perfect, and no one knows exactly where they're from or how old they are. They just hand carved out of stone, that's all they know. Very interesting. And there's one more over here.
We both got toast. I have a mushroom toast that has mushrooms, onions, looks like some beetroot spread.
I have avocado, tomato, and another spread.
I like your dressing.
Very clean, so fresh, so clean.
Very fresh. I'm going to end the vlog here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because there's going to be more Costa Rica vlogs after this one. Actually, probably one more, but before this vlog, there's plenty other vlogs prior, so make sure you watch those for places to check out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!